Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead. And it looks like our main severe weather threat is pretty much wrapping up as far as our viewing area is concerned. We do still have the main upper level disturbance, which is off to the west of us. This could trigger some more scattered showers and thunderstorms. Another band could form in this area here that will move to the northeast later on this afternoon. As of right now, not too concerned about severe weather with that activity, although it can't totally be ruled out at the present time. Anything as far as issues should be very isolated if we see anything. We will see this upper level low continue to move towards the east and kind of settle off to our north and east during the next 24 hours. And the main story here for the next few days will become wind. Let's give you a look first of all at what this looks like on the weather map. You can see the large area of low pressure, which is now centered over northeastern Oklahoma. It's gradually going to slide its way towards the east, and it's going to strengthen. And as a result of the difference in pressure over our part of the country because of this low, we will see some very windy conditions across the area. So here's a look at the wind and how it's going to shape up. Once the actual front moves through a location, you'll see the wind increase here later on this afternoon and this evening. And notice tonight we will stay kind of windy, west to northwesterly wind at around 15 to 20 miles per hour. Tomorrow, we could see sustained winds of 20 to 30 with some gusts approaching 40. Definitely will be possible. So a very windy day tomorrow, and we will stay rather windy for Friday as well, with sustained winds of 15 to 20 miles per hour and some gusts approaching 30 miles per hour across the area. So the wind will be the main concern. Again, the threat of thunderstorms, the strongest storms moving out of the region, actually watching a dry slot which is going to move into the area, so expect some sunshine to close this Wednesday. However, the clouds will rotate around that area of low pressure and probably return to the area, at least the northern two-thirds of the ArkLaTex tonight. We will see a mostly cloudy sky across the area tomorrow with the wind increasing. Those clouds will probably decrease some as we go through tomorrow night, and that'll set the stage for the return of some sunshine for Friday, as temperatures will stay rather chilly here through Friday, and then we should see a nice warm-up heading into the weekend and early next week. Here's a look at the pattern. You can see this upper level low sliding its way towards the east and kind of camping out tomorrow to our northeast. It then lifts to the east more. Upper level high pressure, a weak one, will take its place, allowing for a dry and warmer weekend. We should be back up in the neighborhood of 80 degrees here for parts of the area Sunday for Halloween. And then another one of these troughs will try to develop over the northeastern sections of the country and push another front in here that'll give us our next best chance of rain. Right now, models are kind of zeroing in on Tuesday night and Wednesday as far as the time frame for our next best chance for some showers and maybe even a thunderstorm. I really do not anticipate anything as far as severe weather the way it looks right now from this particular system. And then that will move on through, and then you can see another disturbance perhaps approaching us late next weekend that will be worth watching. Although this is a ways out, obviously things could change some. As far as your forecast tonight, expect to see what's left of the rain. If we do see that second band of showers and thunderstorms develop, it will quickly move out this evening. Otherwise, the clouds will gradually return to the area as we become mostly cloudy. It'll be rather windy, definitely will be cooler. Look for lows in the low to middle 50s north to the mid to upper 50s further to the south. Tomorrow, we'll see lots of clouds, maybe some sunshine over the southern half of the area, and it will be very windy. As I mentioned, gusts approaching 40. We will see highs in the upper 50s to low 60s north to the mid to upper 60s south. That includes 67 degrees for the high temperature tomorrow in Natchitoches, 66 in Shreveport, and 61 for the high temperature in Texarkana. Normal, low to middle 70s, so many locations more than 10 degrees below normal across the area tomorrow. And those 60s likely will linger into Friday as we look at your 10-day forecast. Another windy day Friday. The wind will die down Saturday as we start to warm up. Back up into the upper 70s for Halloween. Should fall into the 60s for trick-or-treating as we should be clear. And then you can see that next best chance of rain as we look ahead to Wednesday. Doesn't look like a whole lot of rain from that particular system, and it looks like we will cool down again late next week with highs falling back into the 60s and lows retreating well into the 40s. So again, it looks like today's main severe weather threat has moved out of the ArkLaTex. Still a few more thunderstorms possible, especially northern half the area late this afternoon and this Wednesday evening. And then we'll see windy and cooler conditions for the next few days.